trending on Procyon radio and television with Sarah Agwon. MKO All-Rounder is in the house.
I'm already seated to analyze the trending news.
Subsidy.
No matter how long you protest, though, we are going to remove subsidy. That is the truth. That is the truth.
Fuel says at 600 naira per litre, queues worsen as filling stations shut. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu declared an end to fuel subsidy. Petrol skyrockets to 600 naira per litre from 195 naira per litre in many parts of the country. This development has triggered a 100% hike in transport fares, while long queues resurface at fuel stations across the country. The president is beginning to fulfill his campaign promises. The Presidential Election Petition Court accepts 5 exhibits as evidence of the petition filed by the Labour Party and its presidential candidate, Peter Obi, to challenge the election of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The LP, led by Jibril, senior advocate of Nigeria, SAN, marked the exhibits as PA 1 to 5, which include a copy of the United States Court's judgment alleging Tinubu's conviction with a fine of $460,000 for drug trafficking. Don't dare Nigerians by removing subsidy, NLC tells Tinubu. A statement issued by the NLC president, Comrade Joe Ajero, recalled that Tinubu was one of those who hit against the removal of fuel subsidy during Goodluck Jonathan's administration in 2012. A well-known Ijao descendant, Asari Dokubo, Asari, hold me responsible if Tinubu fails to do his promise, reiterated President Tinubu's commitment, saying Tinubu is a man of his word. Asari stated that he truly believed that change has come. Hold me responsible if Tinubu breaks his commitment. If ASU goes on strike, I, Asari, will take the hit in Tinubu's place. All right, MKO All-Rounder. Tinubu removes fuel subsidy.
Yes, that is what I expected from him, because our leaders in Nigeria, they are not a sincere leader. I don't know what's really wrong with our leaders in Nigeria. I don't know what's really wrong with us in Nigeria. When Obasanjo was there in 1999, yes, and he became the president and petroleum minister. When this man, the former president, Buhari, is a president and minister of petroleum. And Tinubu now is coming to be president and petroleum minister. All what they depend on is on this crude oil. The crude oil to suffer Nigeria. Because when we are talking of subsidy, you leave subsidy, it will haunt on me, you, we Nigeria. The hardship will be on Nigeria. They know. They used to travel to France. They used to travel to America. They used to travel to London, every part of the world. They know what they are doing here. What is happening to what Nigeria? Please wake up. Ask the leaders. What is happening to our refinery? We have oil in this Nigeria. What is that? Tinubu, as you come, you just said the refinery. Say the refineries. There is modular refineries in Brazil. They use this modular refinery. You can build a modular refinery within 6 months. Within 6 months, they can build modular refineries. They are okay. What of the legal refinery that the Niger Delta boys are building to refine? So why must we carry our fuel to foreign land to go and refine it and bring it back and pay somebody and do all this is a scam? They are scamming us. All these leaders, when you are seeing their body language, when you see their movement, nothing, they are playing with the intelligence of Nigeria. That is the truth about it.
Thank you. Peter Obi's case in the courts, he presented 5 exhibits.
Okay. Now, Peter Obi is in court, presented, he can present 20, he can present 30. You know that the INEC, they have done their own. Now it's a judiciary to do their own. If Mr. Obi like, he can present 30, they will accept it. If he can present 100, they can accept it. What they will do is in their mind. You understand? And I trust them. Our judiciary is a functional entity. They will do wonders, and they used to do wonders. In this case, I know, I trust them.
All right. Don't dare Nigerians.
Who they talk about?
Labour.
Now, Labour they talk, say, don't dare Nigeria. Now, they say, you are now talking, don't dare Nigeria, don't dare Labour. Labour now talking. Which talk they for Labour mouth? Which talk they for Labour mouth? We have refinery in Nigeria. Past 30 years ago, we are in this Nigeria, refine our own products, selling to our own people. Now, the refinery is not working, and Labour, you dey there. You no go on strike, you no do anything to rather to repair our refinery or do another one. You are in Nigeria where they are contributed money for Dangote to build the refinery, only single refinery. So they cannot even set the refinery that is not working and let people, all people build the refinery. The refinery, modular refinery, is a simple to build within 6 months. That's the secret about it. They know what they are doing. So therefore, I don't want to hear that you are threatening me, you are doing it, you are the part of the problem. You know what you are doing to Nigeria. We are a developing country. You understand? We know Sabi, nothing we know. Majority of us we don't know anything. So anything wey una bring, na so we go dey hail una. Na so we dey form party. Na party do this, na so I support this thing. Anything wey you do, remove subsidy. Subsidy no good. Who dey enjoy the subsidy? No be their colleague, no be their friend. No, na then they enjoy it now. If they remove it, if they leave it, na then they enjoy it. The hardship, either they leave it or they remove it, the hardship will be on the common man of life. That's what we are saying. Asari
says that Tinubu will fulfill his campaign promises.
You see wetin I dey talk? In the sense, in Nigeria now, a Niger Delta militant don become important person in Nigeria who can talk that, hi, Masari, take me responsible.
Hold me responsible.
Hold me responsible.
If Tinubu does not fulfill his campaign promises.
Na Asari dey talk so.
Yes.
A militant. You don't know what they call militants? Asari Dokubo, the Niger Delta militant. He don't become important person in Nigeria now. And he's telling me and you, Nigeria, that you should hold him responsible. If Tinubu is not fulfill his promise, that's Asari Dokubo. One day, a bandit will still rule Nigeria. He understands as we go so. Because if Asari could be talking to me and you that you should, who is Asari? So Asari don't become important personality. Maybe they give Asari one minister of so I don't understand.
Thank you very much, MKO All-Rounder. Trending on Procyon Radio and Television with Sarah Agon.